Hi guys, thank you and welcome to my channel Teja Trades. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you about the ETH USDT Ethereum and what is going to be the trading plan for the next one day or the next 1 week, and how we can able to plan the trade. And this is an educational video, and I'm going to journal my journey of trades and how I'm going to take these trades and explain you what is the risk and reward scenarios, how you can able to plan and analyze the trading patterns, and how you can execute the trades yourself. And this is just a idea of journaling my trades to improve myself, and also in the process it will also help you to improve yourself also. So let's just plan on what is the Ethereum trading plan for the next 1 week, and please follow my channel for the regular updates. From here on, I will make at least one video for each every single day and post my analysis, which will help you for the community. So initially, let's see what happened in Ethereum. So you see, the market has. Let's go from the weekly analysis. In the weekly analysis, I see the market has moved quite a bit from the level of 1500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it made a Eloit 5 wave theory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, it made like a double top and it got retested. And from then, it has made a strong rejection and consecutive red candles. And over here, it has made like a flag pattern and it broke out from the flag pattern, retested it, and continuously it is been making again the negative candles, or I mean the red candles. So here, let's see at what point the market has made a strong momentum. So here, previously we can see always you need to point out from where the momentum has started. In this point, previously, if you go into the past, you can see this is the place where the momentum of or the buy side momentum has started. So let's start market with the green. So this is the place where previous buy momentum has started. That means how sudden buy momentum started. That means the institutional traders or the large high net worth individuals have bought on these levels. So whenever market comes back here again, that will act as a strong buyer zone. So what happened here? So here there are a lot of buy orders pending. So market came here. This is the equal loss. Market immediately swept all the buy orders and it immediately moved up. That means a change of character. If you even go down, you can able to see here. So this is the equal loss. Market immediately swept all the liquidity, and here it is a change of character. Let me explain you with the marker. So here this is the equal loss. Market has moved below the equal loss, immediately grabbed all the liquidity here, and then this is the low. Market has break the change of character. So from here, market made a strong buy momentum. So now you can understand whenever market breaks the equal lows and grab the liquidity and makes a move, that means this is the higher point of interest. That means there are a lot of pending buy orders in this point, and this is also acted as a strong uh, buy signal in the past. So here also you can see the buy momentum happened just below the red candle. So you need to point out from where the momentum has started. So here again it took the support and the momentum it took the support and it went up. And it went up in a way of a 5 Eloit theory wave. Okay, that is also fine. So now let's see where is the support in this particular area. We know the market moved aggressively from this point. So let's tap it. We know here is the liquidity and here is the higher point of interest of liquidity. So now market has tested here and took a strong reverse candle. That means there is a lot of buying orders here. And as we discussed in the BTH also, you can see here clearly this is the equal lows. Market immediately came down the equal lows, grabbed the liquidity, and it made the change of character. So now equal lows, market came, consolidation, equal lows, grabbed the liquidity, change of character. What happens after the change of character? Always market will come down and then it will go up. So now this is act as a break of a structure. But is it a valid break of a structure? No. In order to have a valid break of structure, the market should move. So let me, I can clearly explain to you if it didn't understood earlier. This is the equal lows. Market came down, grabbed the liquidity here, and after that, market immediately made the change of character. And after the change of character, you need to find where the market is going to return. So here I saw in the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So after grabbing the liquidity, market made a strong buy signal here. That means there is a lot of pending buy orders here. And similarly, this particular place where the buy orders are there, the market came back to the same place to take the support. So you can understand the pattern here. Market doesn't move randomly. It will just move according to the liquidity. So if you can able to understand where the liquidity is, then you can able to easily enter the trade and exit the trade. That is quite important. So after market grabbed the liquidity, it made a sudden momentum. So we can see market, this is the zero point 0.6 and this is the zero point 0.7. These are the Fibonacci levels where we can able to expect the market to take the support from. And from my understanding, market will take the support in this area. So you can ask me, Teja, why exactly market will take the support in this particular area? Because this will also act as a previous support area, and also here you can able to see this is the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap. You can able to slightly move it down. So this is the fair value gap. So market will come here, take support here, and it will go up. So you can ask me, are you sure 100% market will take the support here and move up? No, no one can say with 100% certainty. We can able to expect the market to react according to the liquidity. So because of the ongoing Iran situation, we can also expect that if there is a forward attack, so suddenly market will react forcibly because of the increasing in the oil prices. It will take a sharp return to 1500 also. But what we need to see, we can only enter the trade after we understand that market took a good support from here and it showed a rejection candle towards here. So what confirms here? The liquidity grab is confirmed, the change of character is confirmed. We need to see the break of structure. So once the break of structure is confirmed, we can enter at this particular trade and we can have a stop loss at this area. Okay. So now we already understood where we should enter the trade. Let's see. Mhm. There is nothing that concretely establishes, but let's say we need to see a break of structure above this level, and then only it gives a good confirmation to enter the trade. So something you can able to enter. And one more thing that we need to know now is where is the sell side liquidity? That means where can I can close the trade and book my profits. So for that, I need to understand where is the sell side liquidity. So you can know the sell side liquidity is at the top at this point where the sudden momentum has happened. That means you can understand this is the sell side liquidity. I'm marking it as a sell side liquidity. But are you 100% sure that market will directly go from this point? So market will go from this point to directly to here. Is it possible? No. So how the market will reach to that particular point in such a way that it will make a market structure, and then probably it might go, or it will go like a market structure. It will go here is one more liquidity point. It will come here and then it will go here. So there is a different type of structures market able to form. So we need to understand what is the liquidity points and we need to place our sell orders or buy orders accordingly. So in the longer time frame, I can see there is one more liquidity because market came suddenly till here and it stopped here. And then I made a sudden move. That means there is a liquidity, there is a dynamic liquidity at this point. So I can able to mark it. And now after marking, let's go to the lower time frame, 4 hours time frame. So in the 4 hours time frame, I wanted to see where is the actual liquidity entry points. That means I wanted to see a point exactly where can I able to close my trade. So you see here the sudden momentum of the market has happened. So we can understand this is one liquidity point, and above that you can see this acted as a fair value gap. So I can 100% confirm you this will act as a liquidity area where you can able to book your profits. So if you enter here, that would give you like 8% of trade and with 5% of risk. But is it a good trade? I would say no. That would be give you a unfair advantage. But if you can able to enter this point after the confirmation here and you can able to hold the trade here, that will give you 12% with a small risk. So that is the trade that you should be willing to take if you can understand the market dynamics. So, but is it okay to take the trade immediately? I would say no. The market should come here. It should show the momentum towards upside. Then only you should take the trade here, and you should have a tight stop loss, and you should book the trade at 2150 to 2200. So one important thing that we need to make sure understanding here is that currently the geopolitics are playing a major role in the market movements. So we should only take the trade after the complete confirmation. In this trade, I would say because of ongoing geopolitical issues, the market make a sudden movements from here to here to here also. We should not know or we cannot able to exactly understand. So it's always better to hold on, wait for the conviction, and then enter the trade with perfection. So this is the analysis for the Ethereum. And to say even more clearly, there are lot more liquidity areas in the bottom also or in the top also, because you see that market has made a sharp entry. That means market will cannot directly move from here to the top to the bottom. So you can able to use the Fibonacci series to understand the breakpoints. So in this area you can able to say from here market has moved. So sorry, what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is able to understand what is the support or resistance area, and to understand that you need to draw the market from the previous. If you are looking for a sell side area, so you need to draw from the previous high to the previous low. In this case, this is the previous high and this is the previous low, and this the level which we drawn is acting as a zero point 0.3 resistance. That is good. And the following levels are this and this. So this will act as a dynamic sell levels where we can able to consider. So based on these levels, we can also see if it is the actual levels where we can able to consider to sell. So here you can see until unless some kind of market structure is formed, we cannot exactly tell you whether the market is going to get rejected from here or not, because we have a dynamic level of 2500 psychological level where the market might able to face resistance. But this is the place market has made a strong moves. So always keep in mind that whenever there is a strong move is made, market might also wanted to react in the similar kind of way by using a strong move to take out that level. So we should just wait and see how the market performs. But for now, based on our analysis, our point of interest is to go for a long position despite of the geopolitical issues, and to have a small stop loss, and to have a bigger target. And I would suggest you to book small profits at the level of 2050, and all the profits are 2150 or 2200, but only enter the trade after the confirmation at this point. And I would say I'm going to trade with actual money from the 3rd of March, and I'm going to continuously share my analysis of each individual trade with live Binance app connection to the trading view, and so that it's going to be more interactive based analysis, and which will be helpful to you and to me. So wait for my new video, which will be based on the Solana, and similarly I will make videos on each and every day based on when I see the opportunities, and so that it will be helpful for you or also helpful for me. If you wanted me to make videos, or if you wanted me to make live videos, just, or you mean like come to the live or upload the videos, just comment your understanding, then accordingly I will plan my videos. Thank you.